that I'm going to do today, the mango cheesecake, is loaded with good fats and good proteins and a lot of deliciousness. So we will be going step by step. And here I'm going to start, the base of a cheesecake. Every cheesecake has a base. It has a cheesy center, and then it has a lovely, delicious topping of any cream or any fruit. So let me start with the base. We start with pistachio. So we take here, around 3/4 cup of pistachio. These are the dates. Dates is a natural sweetener. So, and it binds the base. So, you don't need any other way of adding sugar. So I'm just going to pit these dates. If you can see here, I'm just pitting these dates and taking out the seeds. Water. So I'll just add a bit of hot water and allow the dates to sit. Have or a mixer, anything that you have, just process. So here you see these are, and I love the green color, which is why I am using pistachio. So here goes your dates in the mixture. So here goes your date. A bit of butter, maybe a tablespoon of butter, melted butter. So once we add the melted butter, it will be smooth, nice and creamy. Just put maybe a tablespoon of filling, and then you spread it and you add another tablespoon. Any spoon or any tool that I just have this tool where I like to press the base. So it has a straight base, and here I'm just going to press the base. Beautiful these are looking. And okay, so this is how the paneer has been made. And now I'm just going to take this in a bowl. And to this I'm going to just add a natural sweetener, a little bit of natural sweetener, that is honey. Now the addition of honey is your choice. This will make it a little bit more creamy, just a little bit of milk. And I'm just going to add, and in case you do not have passion fruit, it's again perfectly fine. You could just add a little bit of mango, mango pulp. So there goes your passion fruit. It has passion fruit, it has honey, it has homemade henna, and you can imagine yellow mangoes, which is needed. Here it is. So let's take these mangoes. Just slice these. So that's the slice. This you can make smoothie or a shake later on. Now cut them into very thin slices. Okay, so here also cut them into very thin slices. Not so thin that they will fall apart, but thin enough so that they look like rose petals. So here you see these are looking nice, and now we'll start one by one. We take foil paper, okay, because we will be transferring this. We'll be taking a foil paper and taking 2 slices from the center, okay, and make a C. So this becomes a C. You see, this is becoming a C, and then take another, and this becomes another C. Able to see? And so this is how you will keep building it around the C. So there you go. Then keep building it around the C. Initially you may not be able to achieve it, which is absolutely okay, but making these fun roses is so rewarding because it makes your dessert look really special, and it feels that the person who's made the dessert has taken that extra effort. So that is where your roses are. Now I hope you can understand why I took a wide mouth glasses, because I wanted to make these roses. In a small mouth glass it would not be so easy, so which is why I am taking this. Okay, so then pick up this rose. You see here, you take this rose, pick it up and transfer it to the glass. Very, very gently. So once you have, you see, the numbers are here, and then transfer it very lightly on the glass. First you place the paper and then gradually just pull out the paper. Be very, very gentle. So here you see your mango cheesecake is ready. Top it with some pistachio just on the side so that your roses are seen, and you may also want to add a bit of mango puree. Cheesecake